Click Custom Size. I'm setting it to 2000 by 2500. Import your image. Resize it fit the page. Go to Elements and search for Black Transparent Gradient. Choose whichever one you want from the graphics section. Press R on the keyboard and cover about a third of the image. Go to Text, add a heading. Type the text vertically. Change it color to white. Also change it font to Montserrat with black subfont. Decrease the line spacing. Let me change the color of the rectangle to another color first. Duplicate the page. In the second page, delete the image and gradient. Go to Share and download this page as a PNG. Go back to page 1 and delete this rectangle. Upload the image you downloaded. Click BG Remover. Go to Edit, scroll down to Duotone, select Custom. Select the text, then go to Effects. Select Hollow. Reduce the thickness. Press R on the keyboard. Make it white. Also give it corner around 20. Decrease the transparency. Press L on the keyboard. Make it white. Rotate it vertically. Make it duplicate and rotate it horizontal. Hope you're liking what you're seeing. If you do, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel, it really helps me out. A like on this video is always appreciated, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you know when new video go live. Press C on the keyboard. Scale it down and make it white. You can also apply a filter to your image. Go to Edit and Filters. Choose whichever one you like. Thanks for sticking with me.